I'm going to be doing this master cylinder here for this Camaro, just because I couldn't get this gasket anywhere. Because I got two of these, but you can't get the gasket nowhere. Let's start filling this with fluid. And the tape start pouring out. The cap on. Already making a mess. Alright. Some more in there. Start pumping this side. So you could do this on the car, but the last time I did it, the plugs flew out. And you only get one set of these plugs. Just gonna get it nice and tight here. Alright, just another way. I'm just gonna pump until it starts leaking out the other plug port. And there it goes. Alright. Screw that plug in. It's tight. Fill it up again. We're just gonna start pumping. Put the cap on now. Oh, I know we want that off, so we're pumping air out. Let's give it a couple taps here. Alright, it's getting pretty impossible to pump now. That means it is successfully bled. So now we can throw this on.
Yeah, you go.
I gotta press it in now. Alright. Put this booster on, check back on here. Alright, put the washers on. Alright. Turn this down.
You been eating my Oreo? Yes, yes. Kick your ass. I'm kick your ass. No, you you better stay out of my Oreo.
It's good.
You been eating my Oreo.
Alright. Down there. very fast. Put that down. Alright, see, that's good. I'm gonna come back and spray this with some brake cleaner. Alright. Don't want no brake fluid anywhere left over. Make sure it's all gone. And that's it for that. Now we just gotta drain some fluid out. And we'll get to that. Get the gun, just press it in there. Put some fluid. Some more fluid. Fill that out. Turbo in there. There it goes. So yeah, you want to pump first 10 to 15 times because I realized my car started rolling there. Just barely. Oh. I'm just doing little pumps for now. Okay, yeah, we're starting to look better. Jeez. Alright, it came out pretty clear, so it's pretty good. Something cool. Spray this again. Clean that off. Alright, it's good to go. And we're gonna put this tire back on and step on the brakes a few times before I move it. Look at that though.